Alright folks, hello again. This is the finished look, just so you can see. And now we're going to line in mascara. Now I like to use we'll turn it around, that'll be helpful, the Urban Decay Perversion Liquid Liner. Liquid liner can be a challenge, especially with a smoky eye or an owl eye, with what I'm doing today. So I'm going to get up close and personal so that you can see. With Urban Decay liquid liners, you always want to give them a shake down toward the point so that you can get them to line properly, and you want to go slowly and carefully with what you're doing. I like to put my finger as close to my nose as I can and go slowly and carefully. So, inner corner, and just push firmly and gently along your lash line. And it's like you're just tracing and you're just building that line. You can build any thickness that you like and go toward the outer corner. You want to start from inner corner to outer corner. And then with a strong look like this, you'll want to make your wing, if you're doing a cat eye, match the edge of your makeup. So my edge starts here at my brow. So I'm going to draw my edge nice and strong, and then I'm going to draw my triangle in and fill. It's okay if this takes you a couple tries when you're first starting. It takes practice to do liquid liner well, and it's not for everybody. If you're doing a pencil liner, you follow the same principle. You do your inner corner first, again from your tear duct, inner corner, and tease out along the lash line. You can always build more color as you go along. If we pull in from the outer lash line, you're going to end up with wrinkles in your liner. That is not what you want. You want a nice, clean, solid line. So always go inside to outside. And then from the edge of your shadow, making sure that they're even. So I went halfway up here, making sure that my angle is the same, drawing down. You see how they match? And then same angle for the triangle. I went 45 degrees, so I'm going to draw it at the same angle and then fill. Again, getting that same angle is always a challenge. It does take some practice, and the more you practice, the better you'll get. Even if it's practicing just on a Kleenex or a sheet of wax paper, that's one of the ways that I started practicing when I first started doing this. And that's how you improve. It's okay if you have to go back and touch up after you're done. There is no harm in touch up after you think you're finished. And there we go. We're going to go back through with our mascara. I like to use the Perversion Waterproof. I work in a kitchen, so having waterproof liner and mascara is an absolute must. And again, with mascara, if you're new to waterproof mascara or mascara in general, start at the base of your lashes, push and wiggle. Push and wiggle. This is the way that I taught my 5-year-old daughter how to use a fork, honestly, but it works for mascara as well. And then once you've got a good coat on your lashes at the base, then you can pull up in a curve. That will help get a nice natural curve to your lashes, and it also helps wake them up a little bit from where you're going. So, at the bottom, wiggle and pull. Push and wiggle and pull. And again, once you've got a nice coat, pull. Again, this coverage is buildable. This stuff is waterproof. I have worn it in the pool. I have gone full makeup in the pool, and the stuff is waterproof. I sent you guys a picture on Facebook yesterday and on Instagram. That was after I came out of the pool after putting my whole face in the pool and splashing around with my kiddo. so I can testify to this waterproof. Alright, and after we finish, all-nighter setting spray. I can't testify enough to how much I love this stuff. The primer in Sin, the setting potion, is great, especially if you want just a quick go-to to hold everything in place. That's plenty, but in order to keep any brow gel that you may be using, if you're doing a shadow brow, especially if you tend to, say, rub your eyes, or if you're going to be out in heat, this stuff is an extra layer of insurance. So, our T first, and our X. There we are, folks. Have a great day.